Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at layouts. So in Kotlin, we have different type of layouts. It can be used for designing user interface. So which layout we can use for what purpose and which one will give us a better performance. So we can look at in detail. Okay, why layouts? It defines structure for a user interface in an app. All elements in the layout are built using hierarchy of view and view groups. So you can declare UI elements in XML or you can initiate layout elements at runtime. So we will be using XML for designing layouts. So it is similar to creating HTML tags. Set content view is used for accessing these layouts. What are different types of layouts available? Linear layout, relative layout, constraint layout, web view, list view, grid layout, coordinator layout, frame layout, and more. Let us start with linear layout and relative layout. Linear layout. It organizes its children into single horizontal and or vertical row and creates scroll bar if length exceeds the length of screen. So if you're having more number of elements in this UI, automatically the scroll bar will appear and you can scroll up and down. And all the elements displayed according to the orientation. So you can define horizontal or vertical. It has predefined width and height, so it helps on performance because it doesn't require any runtime calculation. Since linear layout has only basic functionality, sometimes it becomes quite difficult to create complex UI because most of the time you will be using horizontal or vertical for the alignment and also positioning. In this example, I have used welcome label, first name, last name, age and date of birth, and image view, also one button. So if you look at the XML file, I have used linear layout, also orientation, I have set it as vertical. Also, this is an example for nested layout. So I have used linear layout and also I have used linear layout inside also. Inside linear layout also, I have used orientation vertical. So that's why you can see my welcome text view is set vertical. And coming to text box, I have used edit text first name and edit text for last name. So by default, the layout width and layout height you have to set it up. So width I have matched the parent, so you can see that the width set to parent. Also I have used padding, so that's why you can see some space on the left side and right side. So you can see here padding left 20 dp and padding right 20 dp and padding top 50 dp. So that you can see space over here. In addition, inside I have used another linear layout. So I need to set age and date of birth in horizontal. So that's why I have used another linear layout for horizontal, and I have added edit text for age and edit text for date of birth. Also for image view, I need to set it for center. So I have used layout gravity as center horizontal. And here you can see layout gravity is left, and here also layout gravity is left. For image, it has to be in the center, so I have used center horizontal. Similarly, I have used button, layout gravity is center horizontal. So this is an example for nested linear layout. Running the app, you can see there is no difference from the layout what we have seen earlier. Now let us look at relative layout. Relative layout is more effective than linear layout because it is a view group that displays child views in relative positions. It can eliminate nested view groups and keep the hierarchy flat and simple. Coming to an example, here I have used relative layout. Also, I have used relative layout inside the main one. But we don't require to use nested layout in this for a relative layout, but it is possible. So here, if I need to align horizontal, I have to use layout center horizontal. So a text view is currently using center horizontal equal to true. Also, edit text box, I have to relate current element to another element. So using layout below relative layout. So I have used ID of the relative layout. Similarly, I have used for last name layout below of text first name. And here for age, I'm using layout below text last name. Date of birth, I have used two. One is layout below, which is text last name, and layout to right of text age. So you can see it is currently aligned horizontally, but the dependency is to right of age and also below last name. For image view, I have used layout below is text age, and for button I have used layout below of image 21. But image view and button has to be center aligned, so I have used layout center horizontal equal to true. So if you select the layout here, you can see all the constraints for each elements. So text view is constrained and aligned centrally, and also the space between text view, layout and first name 16 dp, age and date of birth positioned in horizontally because we have used right of age, and also image and submit button centrally aligned. So you can see the constraints here. Running the app. So now you can see the relative layout example, but there is no difference between linear layout and relative layout on when you look at the screen. So you can implement same behavior, same look and feel what you have done for linear layout. These are the attributes used for positioning each elements in relative layout. End of part 1. In part 2 video, we will be looking at constraint, layout and web view. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.